Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove WIX Chat or delete WIX Chat. So you have to go to your WIX browser first, WIX website first. Then you will find here this WIX Chat, Let's Chat option. All you have to just click on that WIX Chat and you have to click on backspace from your keyboard or delete button from your keyboard. I'm clicking on delete button and you can see that your chat option or the chat room has been deleted. Okay, this is so simple. In this in your chat box you have to just press ons and click on mouse ons on the chat box and press backspace or delete button from your keyboard, then your chat will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.